is green, the prettiest flowers I have ever seen. Birds are singing in the tree, come outside and play with me. Summer sun is hot and bright, longer days and shorter nights. Swim in the water cool and blue, eat some yummy ice cream too. Round and round the seasons go, sun and rain and wind and snow. Four big changes in a year, bringing joy and bringing cheer. Autumn leaves are falling down, red and orange, gold and brown. The wind is blowing, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Step in the leaves and hear them squish. Winter comes with cold and snow, freezing winds begin to blow. Wear your jacket and your hat, stay inside with dog and cat.